In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a signature in Docusign. Whether you're new to Docusign or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign website, which is renowned for its electronic signature and intelligent agreement management services. Once you land on the homepage, you need to click on the Login button to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's a quick process to set one up, and you can follow the prompts provided on the website. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Docusign homepage. From here, you'll want to find and click on the Start button. This is your gateway to initiating the process of moving a signature within your document. Once you click Start, you are required to add specific details to proceed. This might include identifying the document or the type of transaction you're working with. Make sure you fill in all the necessary fields to avoid any interruptions further along in the process. Now that your details are in place, look for the Next button and click on it. Clicking Next takes you through to the part where you can add, edit and manage your document's fields, which is crucial for our task today. This step is important because getting your settings right will ensure a smooth update of your signature placement. Use this opportunity to double check any details or entries to ensure everything is correct. At this point, you should see a range of options for managing document elements. Among these options, locate and click on Signature. This will allow you to move, add or adjust your signature within the document you're working on. When you click on Signature, it should open up a selection window or sidebar where you can control the placement of your signature. If at any moment you feel unsure, Docusign offers a range of help options and tooltips that can guide you through each feature as you work. Take your time here to drag the signature to the desired location within your document. Adjusting its position is as simple as dragging and placing it where it fits best within the document layout. This process should help you seamlessly move your signature within Docusign. By following these steps, you ensure not only that your document looks professional, but also that it meets any compliance or legal requirements for your transaction. With these tools and tips in mind, you now have the confidence to manage your signatures like a pro within Docusign. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.